I sat down with Dr. Nathan, and he said, okay, I'm going to hook you up, and they put these little monitors, on your head, and he said, I want you just to sit quietly, and we're going to do a brain training exercise together, and all you need to do is breathe. Just sit quietly and breathe. Close your eyes, sit quietly and breathe. I can do that. So I sat there. I thought I was doing a really great job, and after a few minutes, he stopped me and he said, Janelle, you're not relaxing, and let's just have you relax, just be still and breathe. He said, because actually instead of your brain calming down, it's revving up. And I thought, well, I can do this. I've got this. And we tried again. And the harder I tried, the worse it got. And finally he stopped him and he said, Janelle, let me tell you something. Your natural tendency to push through is not helping you here.
Wow.
Your natural tendency to push through is not helping you here. And I had to learn that letting go was the path to healing. I couldn't solve this like a goal that I'm going to achieve. Instead, you have to allow healing to come into your life. I have always been such an achiever and a problem solver, and I want to be in control, a little bit of a control freak, and I'm sure there's people that are listening that feel the same way. And it was a daily, sometimes hourly, sometimes minute by minute surrender to really let go and let God.